Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you Crochet Teapot Cover Designs model. A crochet teapot cover, also known as a tea cozy, is a decorative and functional item designed to keep a teapot warm. These covers come in a variety of designs, ranging from simple and classic to elaborate and whimsical. Here are some common crochet teapot cover designs. Classic rib design, a basic snug-fitting cozy featuring ribbed stitches like single or double crochet, which gives it some texture. This style is often made in one or two colors and has a more traditional minimalist look. Floral and garden theme. One of the most popular design features flowers, leaves, and feathers. The base of the cozy might be as simple as this, while the surface is decorated with crocheted flowers like roses, daisies, or sunflowers. These designs can be colorful and give a fresh, spring-like feel. Granny square pattern. Using the traditional granny square motifs, the design involves creating multiple squares and stitching them together. This creates a cozy with a patchwork or retro style, often using vibrant colors. The design of a crochet teapot cover can vary greatly depending on the style and creativity of the crocheter, but it always aims to keep the tea warm while adding charm to the table. Here are more tips for creating and designing crochet teapot covers. Choose the right yarn. Insulating fibers. Use wool or acrylic yarns for their insulating properties, which help keep the teapot warm. Wool is particularly effective at chopping head, but acrylic is more affordable and easier to wash. Cotton yarn. Consider cotton yarn if you want something more breathable, especially for summer tea parties, though it may not retain heat as well. Color and texture. Think about the color shape and how it will complement your t-shirt. Multicolored yarns or textured yarns can add a unique flair. Measure your teapot. Always measure the teapot before starting. You will need the circumference, height, and spout handle. Placement to ensure a snug fit and easy for stress, as crochet themes to have some flexibility. Pattern adjustments. Many crochet patterns are for standard size teapots, so adjust accordingly if your teapot is smaller or larger than average. Plan for openings. Ensure you leave proper openings for the spout and handle of the teapot. You can do this by crocheting two separate pieces and joining them with buttons, ties, or zippers, leaving the spout and handle uncovered. Elasticity. Chooses this pattern that provides a bit of stress for easier removal and Replacement of the cover. Incorporate linings. For better retention, consider lining inside of the cozy with the fabric layer. This adds insulation and prevents heat from escaping quickly. Decorative embellishments, pom-pom tassels or buttons, and fun embellishments to the top or sides. This not only makes the cozy look adorable, but also makes it easier to remove the cozy without burning your fingers. Embroidery. Once your basic cozy is done, add embroidered details like flowers, leaves, or buttons on the surface to make it more personalized. Crochet applique. You can crochet separate elements like hearts, animals, or flowers, then sew them onto the cozy for a 3D effect. Experiment with stitches, textured stitches. Use stitches like bubble, popcorn, or puff stitches to add texture and interest to the cozy. This not only look appealing but also provide extra thickness for better heat insulation. Shell or fan stitches. This give the cozy a delicate vintage look, especially when using pastel-colored yarns. Legwork for a lighter area design. You can incorporate crochet-like patterns. Although not as insulating, they offer an elegant aesthetic. And dies or buttons. If you make your cozy in two halves, use dies or buttons to secure it around the teapot. You can crochet small buttons or loops, or even add ribbon ties. Functional elements. Make sure your buttons and ties are easy to manage, especially when the cozy is hot. These tips can help you create a functional and visually appealing crochet teapot cover, whether it is for personal use or as a handmade gift. A crochet teapot cover, also known as a tea cozy, is a decorative and functional item designed to keep a teapot warm. I think these ideas will help you. Happy crocheting!